Safy, what did you build?
A volcano.
And where is the real volcano?
This is how I make a volcano. First I put sand, and I smooth it. And when I do a hole, then I put seashells. That's how I build my volcano. Bye for now. We had to wake up very early the next day to catch the coach to Etna Mountain. It took 2 hours to reach the base camp. I saw lots of lava rocks all the way up. It was foggy and cloudy. This is the house destroyed by lava in 1983. And finally, the base camp, 1,900 meters above the sea level. Hiking up around the flanks and craters begin. Oh my gosh, it was so cold. Can you see the grass growing on the crater cone? After walking up, and more up, we finally reached to the summit of the crater. The crater was so deep. The lava rocks were so icy. Listen carefully. Did you hear that? Those were volcanic explosions nearby every 5 minutes. That was the scary bit. Some lava rocks had been very sharp and painful when I accidentally stepped on them. It was very muddy, icy and slippery, and there was nothing to hold on. It was so foggy I couldn't see anything. The wind was so strong, I thought I will fall into the deep crater soon. It was like walking on the moon. I was freezing. It was minus 10 degrees of Celsius. We couldn't get to Etna summit due to bad weather and eruptions. For safety reasons, we had to return to the base camp. We went to Etna Museum at base camp while the snowstorm lasted. I learned that Etna is active stratovolcano. It is the highest active volcano in Europe, and it is 500,000 years old. After the snowstorm, we were finally able to see Etna. It was too late to go up again, so we were exploring craters near to base camp. I saw many colors of lava rocks. Golden rocks, yellow rocks, orange rocks, brown and black. And I also saw the white eyes here. Oh, sorry, white eyes. And it's so cold in here. Over centuries, lava made so many beautiful creations. Look, these ones are so pretty. That's me walking inside the crater. That's so exciting! Hello everybody, I am in a crater. I found this lava rock in the crater. And this is there's so many girls. See you next video. I'll see you next video, guys. Bye. Look, I found a little cave. Another eruption. Did you hear that? That was a really long day, but I learned so much. Good night, Etna.